I felt kind of a clunky, sticky feeling opening the door, and then I noticed this little plastic bushing that's supposed to be on there fell off. So first I thought, oh, I'll just live with it, but I don't think it's wise to do so. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it and show you how quick and easy that is. First thing I'm going to do is mark this. I have no idea if it's adjustable or if it's only one place it can go, which I'm hoping. But on the off chance that it can be moved up and down, side to side, obviously I want to get it back in the exact same spot. It's a Torx T50. I do recommend that you get the proper socket on there. You could, of course, put a pliers on there if you don't have a Torx, but I don't think that that would be the ideal way to do this. And there's the new one. I don't know if there's a torque spec on this. I'll go look, but this one didn't feel like it was super tight on there. Like new.